Danke bafethu, breaking news. I-Orlando Pirates seyisayine umdlali we-Stellenbosch u-Andre Dion. Sikhumbule ukuthi bebafuna ukumsayina just before i-transfer window ivalwa, but i-Stellenbosch saba-rejecta because of bebathe abanayo i-replacement yalo mdlali. But-ke sesiphumile iy'ndaba ey'nkulu ukuthi i-Pirates bavumelene ne-Stellenbosch ngemali nama-personal terms, nomdlali bavumelene with everything. So lo mdlali into ayilethayo laphana ku-Orlando Pirates bafethu, ukwazi ukudlala as i-number 10, ukwazi ukudlala as i-second striker, ukwazi ukudlala as i-central number 9, uyakwazi ukudlala la kudlala khona u-Evidence Makgopa. U-versatile in fact lapho udlala laphana phambili. So umdlali ogudi kakhulu laphana ku-Stellenbosch, simbonile ashaya amagoli amaningi. U-Stellenbosch sedlala ama-matches awu-114, so unamagoli awu-19 plus nama-assist awu-11, meaning that akashayi nje amagoli kuphela but uya-assista. Sikhumbule ukuthi u-Stellenbosch akadlali as i-striker njalo, because i-central striker i-center striker saku-Stellenbosch ubani u-Ashley Cupido, so yena udlala emva kwa-Cupido isikhathi esiningi, but umdlalo uhlakaniphe kakhulu. KumaZulu uke wadlala ku-Real AM, uke wadlala, so ebholeni lase-South Africa udlalele lama-team a-different, but-ke la simbone kahle ku-Stellenbosch la performe kahle kakhulu bafethu. Lo mdlali lo njengoba ngisho ukuthi uyi-attacking midfielder, at the same time unamagoli awu-over 60 goals as i-attacking midfielder. Bangakanani abadlali abangathi bama-attacking midfielders baphinde badlale laphana as i-striker, second striker. U-versatile lo muntu lo kakhulu, uyakwazi ukudlala futhi as i-wing ngakwa-left nakwa-right. So i-Pirates isayine umdlali ogudi kakhulu, one-versatility, and uma umbukela uyakwazi ukuholda ibhola kahle bafethu, and is also a good pass of the ball. So umdlali o-brilliant kakhulu, abasayinanga nje umuntu nje, but umdlali o-exciting. But-ke sisazombona ku-Stellenbosch, I think udlale i-last game or so, or usazodlala last game, but njengoba ivalwa i-Betway Premiership kusho ukuthi uyagcina laphana ku-Stellenbosch. Uma ivulwa i-league uzobe ku-Orlando Pirates, cause kuzoyiwa ku-CAF. We just waiting for i-Pirates ukuthi im-announce, but bazomrejista ngoJanuwari, hhayi manje even if angaqala ukujima ne-Pirates ngo-December or early December or early January lapho, but sombona i-Orlando Pirates kumele im-announce. Angazi ukuthi bazovumela noma kuthiwa iyam-announce i-Pirates man, but-ke ukumrejista ne-PSL bazomrejista ngoJanuwari, cause you can't register umuntu odlalele enye team. Kufana nobani khona this player man, bekakumaZulu, bamdedelile kumaZulu, usayine nenye team i-Orbit College. Ubani? uBen, yes, uBen Ntwari, lo wayedlalela i-Pirates, wayengisibongo sakhe ngesikhohlwa, naye kuthiwa usayinwe enye team angithi, but-ke they can only register him ngoJanuwari. Same thing no-Andre Dion. What a player bafethu, what a superstar, what a superstar. Umdlali awuhlakaniphile, yabona uma kuthiwa football IQ, football intelligence, bakhuluma ngaye umfowethu laphana. Hey, sobona-ke ukuthi cause ku-Pirates uzocompete obvious bafethu nabantu aba-different, but before siya ku-Pirates uyi-New Zealand international umdlali laphana kwelakube eNew Zealand, already udlala ama-matches awu-11, but futhi wakhulela nakuma-development wakhona ku-international team, which is o-under 17, under 20, nalena eNew Zealand udlalele i-Eastern Suburbs, abake baba ama-champions multiple occasions laphana eNew Zealand. So umdlali o-exciting kakhulu bafethu njengoba ngishilo. U-Edan ku-Pirates nanokuthi uzocompete nobani, attacking midfielder, la i-role ezi-number 10 la nokudlala khona umfowethu, kunokudlala uRelem Mofokeng manje because of maningi kakhulu ama-player laphana ku-Pirates, to be honest, adlala leya position noma alwela leya position le. But yena I think i-versatility yakhe izokwazi ukumsiza masingena laphana ku-Orlando Pirates, noma sibheke ukuthi maybe angakhompitha nobani. uPatrick Maswanganyi udlala same position, uNkabelo Dlamini same position, uKwayiba same position. So yibo abadlali laba azobhekana nabo noma azolwela ilo ku-attacking midfielder bafowethu. Then masibheka laphana phambili, if bazomsebenzisa as i-strike already noma ngithi center forward, kune-strike eziwu-4 already laphana ku-Orlando Pirates. kunoTshegofatso Mabasa, Evidence Makgopa, uMbuthuma, uRadio Pane, because ubani? uKatleho bani Gciwani noma Gcinywani noma ubani isibongo sakhe, kuphume iy'ndaba ukuthi bamrelease-ile umfowethu. Kusho ukuthi lo mdlali lona ucreate i-space for yena u-Andre Dion, njengoba u-Andre Dion ezofika laphana ku-Pirates, ucreate leso space leso because of banama-players amaningi kakhulu, but kune-strike esikhulu esizohamba ku-Pirate. I'm leaning toward uTshegofatso Mabasa because of kuney'nkinga zama-contract. Kubonakala ngathi i-contract yakhe ne-Orlando Pirates ngeke i-renew-we because of into abaqala ukuyikhuluma bafethu late last year, but still they didn't find each other in terms of ukuvumelana ngalama-contract negotiations. I-agent kaTshegofatso Mabasa lwamlungu loyo ulokhu eshilo bafethu esho ukuthi they haven't agreed idili ne-Orlando Pirates. But I saw, yazi kuyasiza ngesinye isikhathi bafethu ukuthi urepresent abantu abahlakaniphile because of i-brand ambassador uMabasa, u-brand ambassador yena noCele because ngathi barepresentwa yes umuntu oyedwa. I hope angilenzi iphutha labelunga ngibahlanganisi cause ngiyabazi. Tshegofasi Mabasa angayishiya Orlando Pirates. Radio Pan, I'm not sure ukuthi uzokwazi ukulwa lapha ku number 9. So sele kahle kahle nolokhu njani Nombuthuma as a striker no Evidence Mahopa, abantu i-strike ngathi izwe ngathi ziyadlala lapha ku Pirates. So uDiong why ngimbiza ngolo uAndre Diong if uzodlala use i-strike azolwa nazo, and i-record lakhe nokushaya ama-goals is better than uMbuthuma, is better than uMahopa. I-record lakhe masibheka ama-stats wakhe in terms of ukushaya ama-goals. So angaba nayo i-chance ukuthi adlale laphana. Ngiyazi ukuthi abantu abaningi bambheka laphana ku-attacking midfielder kuphela, but no, akadlali attacking midfielder kuphela, u-versatile, udlala ama-positions are different. Sikhumbule ukuthi Orlando Pirates iluza umbekezeli Mbokazi, but kwi-defense i-solid. I think i-defense ye-Pirates i-good. Sesiyivala nje, soyivala ngako i-defense nabanye abadlali because ulo Thapelo Xoki uyabuya, ama-reports ayasho ukuthi uyabuya. Nkosinathi Sibisi ukhona naye laphana ku-center back. Olisa Ndana naye ukhona. Sesane naye is getting almost ready to come back. NoSiema ukhona. So banama-defenders amaningi masingambali nokumbala nje uMbokazi, uyabona ukuthi ngeke bastruggle ku-defense or ukureplace umbekezeli Mbokazi. Every position ku-Orlando Pirates yabona ukuthi kuyaliwa ngempela bafethu. And obvious sinokukhuluma le ndaba lokuthi ba-release uThabiso Munyani, player super talented, but mawubheka ku-right back e-Orlando Pirates kunoNdlozi, then kunoLibitso, kunoVan Rooyen. I still think or believe uThabiso Munyani beyangakwazi ukulwa laphana ku-Orlando Pirates mangibheka lama-players lawa khona bekalwa nawo kuleya position, but maybe lezi zinto zama-injuries izinto ezenza ukuthi Orlando Pirates imdedele. Ezinye indaba ezi-right for good news for Orlando Pirates ukuthi uMakhehleni Makhawula ubuyile, solid performance. Ubhuti omdala laphana, 36-year-old, but ama-performances wakhe agude kakhulu bafethu, to be honest. So uyadeserve ukuba laphana ku-Orlando Pirates. Defensive midfielder uye noNduli kuphela ama-defensive midfielder laphana ku-Pirates, to be fair. Cause of talent but is more central. Usipho Mbuli is central and number 10. uNamtajela central and even going forward, and then une-player uSimphiwe Slepe central, uMariko central. Maningi kama-central midfielder ku-Pirates. But congratulations to umfana Diong laphana ngokujoyina i-Orlando Pirates nokuvumelana na-everything. I-move naye bekayifuna because of bekafuna ukuhamba, bekangafuni nokuba ku-Stellenbosch bafethu. Ngabe uhambe kudala, but-ke Stellenbosch sithe no, sisafuna i-replacement yakho ndoda, ngeke uvele uhambe nje manje, let's wait a bit, sithole i-replacement, then uzokwazi ukuhamba uyojoyina i-Orlando Pirates le ofuna ukuyoyijoyina. Ngicela ukuzibamba lana bafethu. Danko, cela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe, making sure ukuthi i-page ifika ku-15,000 subscribers.